Hello friends, today we shall discuss about Ohm's law, which is an important law from the examination point of view. Ohm can able to find a relationship between the potential difference and the current. He states that at constant temperature, the current flowing through a conductor of uniform area of cross section is directly proportional to the potential difference across the two ends of the conductor. That means if we are taking a conductor having the potential difference B is the potential difference and I is the current, then B proportional to I. B proportional to I. That means B is the potential difference, I is the current, or B by I is equal to constant. B by I is equal to constant. But from drift velocity equation, we know that V is equal to A tau. Okay, where tau is the relaxation time or the time interval between two collisions, and A is the acceleration which is given by EV by ml. If we are putting this value here, then it becomes EV by ml into tau. Okay, this is the velocity or the drift velocity we have found from the drift velocity equation. So, and one thing is there from the relation between the drift velocity, drift velocity and the current. We know that I is equal to NAEV. NAEV. Okay. By putting this value of B here, we get NAEV by ml into tau. That becomes NA square tau by ml into B. Okay. So we got I is equal to NA square 3 tau by ml. So V becomes, just taking this side, ml by NA square tau into I. This whole thing are constant. Mass, length, number of electrons, area, the charge of electron and the tau, all are constants. So we can put here V by I is equal to constant, that is equal to R, or known as the resistance. So we find V by I is equal to R, or we can say, omitting these things, or we can say V is equal to I into R, or V proportional to I, which is our Ohm's law. It defines that till we maintain a potential difference across the conductor with potential difference across x-axis and current along y-axis, then we find a straight line which shows that till the potential difference is maintained, the current is increasing. So this gives whole formula, that is V proportional to I, or we can say that the potential difference between the conductor is directly proportional to the current, or current is directly proportional to the potential difference across the conductor. Okay.